Now we will understand about voice. So my dear students, voice is a form of verb that basically tells subject in the given sentence is performing the action by itself or receiving any action. And we have two kinds of voices, active voice and passive voice. In active voice, subject does the action, or in passive voice, the work is done to the subject. I hope it is clear to you all. For example, we have subject and object change. So in active voice, Ram writes a letter. It is in active voice because in this sentence subject is doing the action. Ram is writing the letter. But if we talk about the passive voice, so what it will be? A letter is written by Ram. So work is being done to the subject in the given sentence. And we have passive voice again. Diksha was invited by Dinesh. It is also in the passive voice. Now we will be having passive sentences having two objects. We can have the passive sentences which will be having two objects. For example, in active voice, Ram writes a letter to Krishna. So it means subject is doing the action by itself. But in passive voice, what it will be? A letter is written to Krishna by Ram. I hope it is clear to you all.